Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Monday. It's Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day. And if you don't know who that is, you should. Look up and read about everything that he did to create community and peace in our world, which we need now more than ever. So, and don't just remember him today, remember him every day. And let's follow his teachings and rise up. Our world is in conflict, our country's in conflict, and we can do better. So follow that, please. If you hear a little rumbling in the background, it's the back of my building. They're moving the dumpsters around. I know, really attractive. I live in the back of the building, so deal with it. It is a whopping 6 degrees here in Chicago today, and I'm hearing there's a traffic issue in West Michigan, so be really careful. There's a pileup or something. Just got wind of that. So be careful when you're out driving if you're in Michigan, the Midwest. And I know up near Traverse City, Michigan, there's some stuff going on as well. Speaking of Traverse City, Michigan, my holistic energy and heart goes out to Josh and Jace. They're the guys from the UK, have been traveling around the Midwest. They're fellow podcasters and bloggers. They're a lot of fun to watch. They do food reviews and different things. But they've been in my home state of Michigan. They were in Saugatuck. They call it Saugatuck and Traverse City. But they were up around, I think they were staying on Boyne Mountain or Boyne City area. And Josh took ill. He had some pain and went to the hospital. He was in there for a day or so. And he's out now, but still having a lot of pain. So my best to them. If you follow me, my very best to them. A lot of people are looking out for him, kind of wondering what's going on. So yeah, let's hope everything is good for those two guys, because they're just a lot of fun. We're putting some good energy out in the world and good info. So I appreciate it. The Bears lost last night, 20-17. In overtime. I really thought they were going to come through. I'm disappointed, but you know what? I'm so happy the Bears had such a great season. They did such a great job this year. I'm not even a football fan. I'm just cheering on for Chicago and how it gave people a lot of promise and excitement. Everything that we need right now, especially during the winter. They were playing out in frigid cold temperatures last night. I believe it was like 18 degrees out with the Rams. So I really thought they had it last night. So that was a bummer. This weekend wasn't a lot going on for me. Hung out on Saturday, had a wine event. I didn't win. It's this wine tasting called Bears on Cork. I actually placed second, but it was some kind of breaker for the tie and stuff, and it bumped me down to fourth. I don't know how that all happened. I wasn't too happy about it. I get really competitive. So next time, just thought it was kind of strange. Not a sore loser at all. It's a great bunch of guys. I had a good time, but I couldn't figure out the whole scoring thing for the first time. So yeah, that's what happens. So I did that. And then hung out with my best friend and some other people. And then Sunday was very low-key, wasn't feeling really good because of the night before. And watched the movie here with my friend Rob. And we watched some of the football game, and then he went home. He wasn't feeling too well. I have a feeling he may have this cold flu stuff going on, which I just came down with after 3 weeks. So he better get better, because we leave for 2.5 weeks to go to Fort Lauderdale to Wilton Manor the weekend before my birthday, little birthday celebration. And then I'll be back here in Chicago on my birthday, which is February 13th, on a Friday. It's usually a lucky time for me. So that's all. I wanted to share something with you, and I'm not getting a kickback for this or anything at all. I have been using this product for a while from a company in Traverse City called Be Joyful. This is a body balm that I absolutely love. See this? You can find it online. This is great, especially during the winter when it's really cold and stuff. It's made with beeswax, olive oil, all sorts of stuff. This has a bit of an orange scent in it, frankincense, and patchouli. It's got a few things in here, but this lasts me a long time. I think this runs about maybe $12. I'm not sure, but it lasts a long time. But it's kind of a stick thing, and I put it in. It smells fantastic. Very organic, great company. They have other things too. They have a beard balm and all sorts of everything. But check them out, because I've been using this for a while. And in the cold weather, this is so awesome. It really protects your skin. And I love them. They have another complexion soap that I use that is really awesome. And I buy it when I go to northern Michigan. They have an Olsen store in Traverse City. And you can order it online. So that's my little plug. And if you're in the company, be joyful. If the owners are watching this, thank you. That's your little plug for the day. Subscribe, like, and share. Keep warm. It's a cold one today. It's bitter cold. The winds are kicking in. So bundle up. Try to do some work from home. And if you're traveling, please, please, please be careful. And again, I will talk to you on Thursday. Take care. Thanks for checking in. Bye.